A mail truck has been fitted with a bomb full of dynamite.
Keep it coming!
MacGyver brings a cement truck over to the mail truck and starts filling it with wet concrete. When he gets it above the bomb goes off. The cement seems to prevent the bomb from causing any real damage.
It worked.
One. Boom! That, I think there's still some stuff flying through the air.
Yeah. Nobody go outside yet.
No.
What goes up comes down. One. Wow.
Oh, shoot. A couple of unexploded sticks of TNT there.
Cancel the cake and put the confirmed party on hold. A closer look reveals the muted explosion was down to a misfire, not MacGyver. It seems the concrete dislodged the detonation cord from the dynamite.
Our best guess is that we detonated 2 sticks of dynamite. One, go!
In that first blast, there was a shock wave. And it knocked all the legs of our shrapnel catchers off. But I'm looking at the shrapnel catchers that are nearby. They're mostly intact. So I'm going to go out on a limb and say there was not a significant shock wave emanating out. It looks like probably most of that force went up, and what was coming out was all shrapnel.
This is interesting. Unlike the control, this time there's a hole in the ground where the truck used to be.
Wow, we made a crater.
And the debris field, at 250 feet, it's not nearly as widespread. It's less than half the size of the control. And it makes sense if you think about it. Most of the concrete surrounded the explosive, meaning that the energy was directed up and down instead of outward towards the shrapnel catchers.
Yep, but although the plywood passers-by weren't ripped apart, they were peppered.
Let's face it, the concrete may have altered the direction of the pressure wave, but it didn't save the day. The shrapnel catchers are riddled with holes. The aggregate in the concrete, the loose rocks, it all became a lethal shower of death. And the truck did not survive in any way like it did in the clip.
Found the back door.
This one's pretty easy to call.